जी।
Yes, good afternoon. Today's topic of group discussion is leaders versus follower. Today we are only two persons. Few more persons will join after some time, or if not join, then we will also continue the topic. Since the weather is not so good, so it may be network issue from at their end or electricity issue. So I think they have not joined. So I am going to start today's topic, that is leaders versus follower. Uh, Before this, we have discussed about the agriculture bill. We have debate on the topic agriculture bill, and today's topic is leaders versus follower. So uh, the topic is leaders versus followers. So what is leaders and what are followers? So in simply, a leader leads and a follower follows. Means a leader leads something. It may be a crowd. It may be something. You can say climate change campaign. A leader can be a voice of a person who are less privileged. A leader can be the voice of the person who are suffering. Okay. And whereas on the other hand, the followers are the person who follows the leaders. So uh, leadership is an art of influence and motivation. So why followers follows? Since we know that leaders have many qualities, such as they have many qualities. We have a lot of leaders such as Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, uh, 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 you can say APJ Abdul Kalam. So why we follows those personality? Because they have a good trait, they have the good virtues of leadership. So if we follow them, then we can acquire some good things of them. For example, suppose if we take the example of Mahatma Gandhi. So Mahatma Gandhi means he even cleaned the washroom. So means no any work is small, no any work is big. And also there are lots of leaders whom we are following. We are not discussing only on the political leaders. It is also said that a leaders without followers is simply a man walking, simply a man taking a walk. And there are some virtues of the leadership such as the strength, respect, power. Power, you can say that a leaders have a follower. So if a leaders have more follower, then he have more power. Respect, leaders have a respect because they have a lots of follower. So we can't means as our topic is leaders versus follower, so both things are different. A leader uh, uh, a person can't be become a leader without a follower. And uh, if there is no follower, then we can't conceptualize any person as leader. So followers are equally important as leaders. Even the many of the leaders uh, follows many person, then he became the leader. So many of the great persons, they are reading the autobiography of the persons who have done previously good for the society, so that they can get some good traits of their in his life. So uh, so as we are as we are in fourth year of graduation, and just after graduation we have to do job in some companies. So leadership is a skills. Most of the students write in their resume as leadership skill, they mention in their resume. So it is leadership skill is a most important thing that the companies are looking for. So a leaders can uh, why they are looking for the person who have leadership skill? Because the leaders can take risk, they can initiate a new thing. Okay. So means they may be creative. uh, uh, when the word leaders came, then we often think about the political leader. But political leader is a type of leader. But in addition to that, there are lots of leaders in the field of academic, in the field of, you can say, climate change. Suppose Sonam Wangchuk, you must have heard. So he is, I think, he is a leader in the field of climate change. He is inspiring the youth, inspiring the people to plant the tree, to live simple, so that the we can less affected by the climate change. So leaders and followers both are equally important. A followers become leader after some time if they follow the leaders. When they acquire some good skills of a leader, you when you read the autobiography of the great person who are the leader, they have they have many traits, such as they are early risers. They used to wake up in the morning. They have good time management. They are very persistent in their work. They are very dedicated towards their work, and they are very sincere. Even you see the political leaders, such as you can take example of Manmohan Singh, which is our former prime minister. Even you take example of Narendra Modi, Lalu Prasad Yadav, and there are lots of leaders whose age is more than 70 years, more than 80 years even. But even at that age, they are working. Suppose if you take the example of Arun Jaitley, so or you can say Sushma Swaraj. So they are working, means throughout lifetime they are working. Why they are working? Because, yes, Vivek, am I audible? Actually, due to network problem, uh, there is network problem at my end since past week. It is showing that my network connection is unstable. So can you hear me? Yes. So yes, I was talking about the political leaders. They are working, even they get old, even they have many other engagement. So they are very much dedicated towards the work. A few days ago, I was attending a webinar on the topic "Does Leadership Matter?" organized by the Indian Institute of Management, Indore, and the keynote speaker was the director of IIM Indore, Himanshu Raisar. So he told his experience of leadership. So during the pandemic, when the colleges were shut down, so most of the students, most of the staffs went to their home. So only 10% staffs were left in the college campus. So with 10% of staff, it is very difficult to run the college. There are sanitation work, mess work, gardening, planting, and there are lots of work happening in a college campus. Okay, so what happens? So he simply make a Google form that those for the available 10% staff in the college campus. So some of them selected that I will work for the mess. Most of the persons selected that I will be available for the gardening work. Then few persons selected I will look the mess work, and the least person who selected the work for the sanitation work, cleaning the floor, cleaning the washroom, etc. So what happens, since cleaning is an utmost importance of work, but he have less number of entries for the cleaning purpose. So what he do, he simply take the jharu and started cleaning the academic floor. So once he started the cleaning academic floor, then after 10 minutes, 5 people joined with him. After 20-30 minutes, 5 more people joined in the cleaning work. And after 1 hour, uh, there are sufficient persons joined with the sir for the cleaning purpose. So this is the trait of the leadership, that if you can do a particular type of work, then only you have to assign the work to another person. Suppose if I am not able to clean the washroom, then how can I expect that you will clean? So this is the utmost important trait of a leader. You must have read the story of the Pagambar Muhammad, that one parents came to the Pagambar Muhammad and uh, asked advice that my child is addicted to eating sugar, so it may affect his health. So Pagambar Muhammad said that just come here after 10 days. So during 10 days, what happens? Actually, Pagambar Muhammad, he was also fond of sweets. He was also fond of sugar. So during these 10 days, he left eating sugar. And after 10 days, the boy simply came and he said that you have to not eat sugar. So what happened in this case, that suppose if you are eating sugar and you are giving advice to another person that sugar is bad for health, if you are taking drugs and advising another people that drugs is not good for health, then it is ironic things. Means suppose I am doing exercise, then only I will advise to another person that you have that exercise is good for health and you can do exercise and it will benefit for your health. So I'm going to conclude myself as the topic is leadership versus follower. So leadership and follower both are equally important. A leader who leads and the follower who follows. A leader can't be considered without a follower, and a follower can become a leader after following some leaders, after gaining the some traits of the leader. So that's all from my side. Please unmute yourself, Vivek, so that I can hear you.
Thank you, Manglamji. I very glad to discuss about follower versus leadership. Leader is a and follower both are different, but they are this belongs to same place. This is a leader means leader can lead to any group, command to any group, and lead to any group. This is called leader. But support follower is a only one support this group. This is a supporter. This a supporter is called follower. Both are different thing. But leader quality is becoming in born time, but follower change to time. They are present in any human, any living body has a leadership quality. They are come in born time. They are not come in time to time. I can. We are a student of mechanical branch, and we are studying fourth sem Tom subject of cam and flower. Cam and follower both are different, but they are related to leader and follower rule, because cam is always follow on path, and they are create on path, but follower follow cam create path. They are not self-depend, they are depend to fully cam. I can say cam is a leader and follower is a follower. This example of leader and follower. Vivekanand is a leader. They are distributes many knowledge to your follower, and they can each person are follow this rule, then they are achieve some follower leadership quality. This is a follower and follower and leader quality come in inside of human body. Leadership quality, just like confidence, skill, humanity, patience, uh, uh, patience, positivity. They are quality of leadership, and they are quality of leadership. But difference between leader and follower: leader are create on path himself and doing himself path, but follower not create on path. They are follower path, leader path. But they have a no own idea. They are always follow to another idea. Both and leader is a failure chances is more, but follower failure chances is less, because follower are always follow that part. They are predefined. They are always fully prepared path. They are no create own path. They are fully depend upon other part. We those part we those part which part is always running, no any idea failure. They are always that part. So this is a main positive thing of follower. And leadership is leader always mostly failure that on path, and they are create on path, and they are they they are thinking your always future is better, but they follower have a no thinking to future in better, because leader going to that part and follower that part gain, and they are always follow that path. So this is a difference between follower and leader. Leader have a some always follower. I I think always follower follow that part. They are leader. Leader is created and creative mind leader, like as a Vivekanand, APJ Abdul Kalam. They are create that part. They are positive part. No, they have a no feedback in negative. Any feedback is no negative. But, I want to say that every follower follow this type of leader path. No follow this like a IAS leader type path. I can say that this is a positive thing. Leaders follower is a not bad thing. Both are very good thing, but uh, they are अपना अपना depend upon uh, himself. This is a both thing, but they are very good thing, follower and leader. This is my all point.
Yes, thank you, Vivek, for your wonderful point about the leadership versus follower. You give a brilliant example of cam and follower, which is related to our studies. So how cam and follower are related to the leadership and follower. Yes, of course, I'm agree with your point that both leadership and leaders and follower both are different things, but in some way they are same. Means a follower follows the good traits of the leader. A leader may have some bad traits, but it is said that we should only get the good things from the others. So there are lots of various leaders in our country, in the world, or previously we have a lots of leaders, as you give examples, said Vivekanand, Subhash Chandra Bose. They have done a brilliant work in their field. So I want to add some point that uh, yes. So I think we have discussed a lot to this topic. So I think
Of you, I can say,
yes, go ahead.
I can say. leader is always create our mind is better to give our supporter, give to supporter and give to publicly everyone. They cannot give bad knowledge in everyone, because they are always motive on giving better to outside, not to other. But they have some type of thing they are create in public in inside the mind. They have they are give the bad knowledge about me, because they are supported to different type of leader, in this time, in India and every country facing this problem, and every public is facing this problem, like as a like in India, farmer will is a some leader are called to this is a better, but some leader are called this is a not better. This is a manipulated to everyone and manipulated to farmer, because they are want to own profit to government. This is a this is a this is a fully bad thing, because most of leader are no one to bad thing anyone, bad to do anyone, but they are create in mind ki, leader are create to distribute to very bad thing. That this is a feedback of regarding to leader. This is a not good.
Yes, absolutely. I'm agree with your point that a leader is supposed to impart good things to their follower. But we often see sometimes that leaders may mislead their followers. The leaders may influence their follower, the crowd. When so when it happens, when the personal selfish scam मीन्स जब व्यक्तिगत महत्वाकांक्षा सामूहिक हावी हो जाती है, then it happens. So when leaders thinks about himself, when leaders thinks for a particular group, when leaders think for his family, then the problem arises. So this is means you can say this is the bad trait for the leaders. Means a leader is supposed to impart only the good things for the society, to the nations, to their followers, so that their followers can gain the good traits for the leaders. So with that notes, I'm going to wrap the today's session of group discussion on the topic leaders versus follower. Tomorrow we will meet on the topic ban of Chinese app in India, its pros and cons at 12 p.m. So thank you for participating. Bye.